when I first got involved with dealing with building codes, it was really in a fairly narrow way because I was involved in a lot of alternative building materials and systems, and people were having trouble getting permits for those things. And so I was just trying to help people do that. But what I discovered actually was, in the process of doing that, was that there was a pattern. There was actually something missing in the whole structure that we were working inside of, which was basically that the system was set up to focus very narrowly on keeping a certain kind of bad thing from happening again. What I discovered, though, in the process of trying to figure this out was that building officials and building codes were about protecting things, trying to keep bad things from happening. And I was also about, what I was doing was about trying to keep bad things from happening, but in different ways. And in fact, I had a much larger sphere of concern about the bad things that might be happening. And it was in the process, actually, of talking with building officials that I realized that I wanted everything they wanted, and more, not less. Because I didn't want people building unsafe buildings. But I could see the harm being caused upstream, downstream, out into the future by the things that they thought were perfectly safe. And so the alignment of purpose actually made it possible for me to then completely change how I went about doing my work with them. It changed me, and that alignment of purpose changed the whole nature of the work. And that was the most powerful discovery, actually. And then through that, all kinds of amazing alliances with people that I think everyone else expected, and I maybe early on expected would be adversaries, actually turned out to be partners in various ways, and it wasn't always smooth and easy, but we were, I could see and I knew we were really trying to accomplish the same things. And one of the images that came to me that was really valuable was that codes and code officials were like a train. They were like the crew on the train, and I was flying in the same direction, basically, but with a much bigger field of view, including being able to see where the bridge was out at the head. And so the work really became inviting them up to see what I was seeing, to really inform their work. And the beauty of that was that it was essentially honoring what they were doing, which was caring, and inviting them to do it from a higher place.